Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to do this unboxing of an early birthday gift that I received from my husband. For some of you that don't know, me and my husband are doing long distance because I had to come back to Canada due to some family and personal things. Anyways, first off, let me tell you, I was definitely surprised when I received this. I was so confused and didn't know that I was actually going to get a package from him. I actually thought that I ordered something, but I know I didn't order anything. So this was definitely a big surprise, guys. Like, honestly, a really big surprise. All the things that you see in here are from Daiso, which is a dollar store. And no, guys, gifts shouldn't have to cost over $100 as long as it's from your heart. Plus, my husband knows my ultimate favorite store is Daiso. They have all my favorite snacks, which he packed. He gave me cookies, crackers, chocolates. I know they sound very simple, but it does taste different to me from Canada. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but there is a theme here, and that is Dumbo. Now, my husband knows my ultimate favorite Disney character is Dumbo. I can relate to him. I love him. He is so cute, and there's just so much like history for me why I love this character, but that could be a whole nother video. This was such a great gift. This honestly was making me really sad, and it's one of the reasons why I wanted to do the voiceover instead of showing you guys like how I was unpacking, because I was tearing up a lot and it was not easy for me. This is actually the first time me and my husband are doing long distance as husband and wife. In the past, when we were dating, we also did long distance, but this one's the first, and it was definitely not easy. My voice was cracking a lot while I was filming this, so this is why I chose to do the voiceover. And just a fun fact about me. Now, cards. I love birthday cards. It just shows that a person took their time out to write a letter to you, some kind words and all that stuff. I collect all of them, and to be honest, I would rather have a card than a physical thing. But I'm not going to show what my husband wrote, but you can check out his cute chubby heart. Also, guys, please forgive me for my nails. Yes, they look crusty, but that's a whole nother thing. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching me do this unboxing. I promise I will upload more things soon. Anyways, bye, guys.